Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Naija News and Entertainment. Ebuka's Judging Matters. Instagram post causes trouble. On Ebuka's Judging Matters today, a defamatory Instagram post caused a serious problem for a Lagos resident who was dragged to court to explain the reason for her action and convince the court why she should not be made to face the full weight of the law. The plaintiff, Janet Osemudiame, a skin care seller, sued one of her clients, Roselyn Lawrence, for posting a defamatory post about her skincare product on Instagram. According to Janet, Roselyn consulted her to purchase a skin product that could clear off the spots she has on her skin, and she sold her a product that would give her a desire. Janet was, however, shocked and embarrassed to say the least when she discovered that the defendant posted a comment on her company Instagram page alleging that her skin product is fake, bad, and that she wants a refund. The plaintiff stressed that when she contacted her to take down the post, she explained that she thought the skincare product was going to tone her skin a bit, but did not, though it cleared her spot. Since the defendant refused to take down the post, Janet decided to involve Ebuka and Justice Olusola Williams on judging matters in the case because she is requesting 100,000 for damages. However, in her defense, Roselyn stated that it is true that she consulted Janet for a skin product that could clear off her spot, but she thought it was going to make her skin lighter, but it did not. She did not deny posting the defamatory post on Janet's company Instagram page, but does not see any reason to pay a whole 100,000 as damages for a mere comment on Instagram. Justice Olusola Williams, who is known on Ebuka's Judging Matters for not taking nonsense or being biased, tried her best to measure the extent of Janet's losses, reduce her claim to 75,000 naira, and order Roselyn to take down a defamatory post on Instagram immediately. Okay, stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment to get more gist coming out from Ebuka's Judging Matters. If you've missed out on the show, you could go down and check our videos, the videos we've uploaded on YouTube. You find more videos on Ebuka's Judging Matters. Watch them and follow up on the new reality show.